Hello everyone. I'm outside of all my vegetables to see what I need to do today. One thing I had planned on is removing or doing a real drastic pruning of my tomatoes. They're just all over the place and I want to trim them up. And I also need to do something with my okra. These plants that we're looking at right now, they're very tall, and right now I can't reach them, and I'm not going to be standing on a ladder to try to get them, so I'm probably going to cut these down, place them with some shorter versions of them, variety called jambalaya. Later on this week I'll probably be coming out to do a harvest on my purple hull peas. They look like they're doing real well and it's time to harvest them. And let's see how my petty pan squash is doing, whether or not I have to do some hand pollination. Then we'll get to work on what needs to be done. Okay, I know this may look very, very drastic, but they'll grow back. They always do. And I'll have more tomatoes very shortly. Let's move on to the okra. This plant, just from the piece that I cut, is literally almost as tall as I am. Okay, here we have the jambalaya okra plants that I put where the previous ones were, and we have the tomato vines, 3 of them that have been pruned drastically, but as I said previously, they will grow back quite rigorously too. It won't be long. I checked on my patty pan squash, and just the one has opened up so far, so I pollinated that yesterday. The other one should be opened up maybe tomorrow, hopefully. If not tomorrow, then definitely on Thursday. Looking forward to that. And I also, while I was out, trimmed my pepper plants, well, 2 of them at least. Trimmed my pepper plants, cut them back some, so air can get through and we'll have circulation amongst the leaves and all. Bugs that I've been seeing, that along with the spraying. And I did a little harvesting. I'll show you that in a minute. Okay, here's the harvesting that I did. You're looking at ghost peppers, Scotch bonnets, and the Trinidad scorpion. You're also looking at some tomatoes, which are deep down inside, and lots of okra. God, it's been good, and I'm thankful for this bounty. Until next time, stay blessed. Make sure you grow, grow, grow. And thank you for watching. If you like the content, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, by all means do so. I try to put out videos on Sunday, Wednesdays, and Saturdays. This Sunday, the 26th, is my birthday, so more than likely I will not be putting out a video on that, but we'll be back with you as soon as possible. Y'all take care. Until next time.